can either break the gin or hurt me. Your choice. Did he see me? I don't think he did. Did he like hit the hook like he was throwing a pin or something? It's like, where did he go?